Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a PPC campaign with Bing Ads step by step clearly. To create a PPC campaign with Bing Ads, start by signing in to your Bing Ads account. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button and follow the prompts. Once logged in, click on the Campaigns tab located on the left side of your dashboard. Next, select the Create Campaign button. Choose your campaign goal, such as visiting your website or getting phone calls. Enter a name for your campaign, ensuring it's descriptive and memorable. Set your daily budget to control how much you want to spend each day. Select your target location where you want your ads to appear. Choose the languages that your target audience speaks. Next, pick your bidding strategy. You can start with manual CPC or choose enhanced CPC to maximize results. Now it's time to create your ad group. Enter a name for your ad group to keep it organized. Set your default bid, which is the maximum amount you are willing to pay for a click on your ad. Prepare your keywords by entering them into the keyword box. Consider using Bing's Keyword Planner tool to find relevant keywords. After entering your keywords, proceed to create your ads. Click on the Ads tab and then select Create Ad. Choose the ad format that suits your campaign, like text or responsive ads. Enter the final URL where users will land after clicking your ad. Fill in the display URL for a cleaner appearance in the ad. Write a compelling headline that grabs attention. Add your ad description focusing on unique selling points. Include any additional extensions like site links or callouts for enhanced visibility. Review your ad to ensure all information is correct. Once satisfied, click on Save and Continue to finalize your ad creation. Now, review your campaign settings before launching it. Check the budget, targeting, and bids to ensure they align with your goals. After confirming everything is accurate, click on the Launch button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.